if there's any particular phobia or fear that's bothering you or controlling your life and you want to get rid of it, watch this quick video to learn a very easy technique to relieve your symptoms of your fear and phobia, or maybe even get rid of it completely. Keep watching and find out how to do it. Before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. This is only a demonstration video. It may help you a lot and the technique is easy to use, but please, if you're having issues, please see a doctor or practitioner. Okay then, let's start. EFT is a very simple technique where you tap on various points of the body and repeat phrases. If you're unsure where to tap on the body, go to one of my videos where it explains where to tap and then come back when you're feeling comfortable and ready. Okay then, think of your fear and phobia in your head. Don't go into too much detail, just generally think of it and notice how it feels in your body when you think about it. And then score that on a scale of 0 to 10, with 10 being the worst. What's the intensity on a scale of 0 to 10 of the fear or phobia that you've got in your mind at the moment? Okay then, remember the score and think of your fear or phobia as we tap along. Okay then, time for the setup. We start with the karate chop point, tap 2 fingers nice and slowly and repeat after me 3 times. Even though I have this fear or phobia and it feels real and intense to me, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear or phobia and it feels real and intense to me, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this fear or phobia and it feels real or intense to me, I deeply and completely accept myself anyway. Eyebrow, this fear I have. Side of the eye, this phobia that triggers me. Under the eye, my body reacts automatically. Under the nose, all this fear in my system. Under the chin, I don't like how it feels. Collarbone, breathe in. This intense reaction. Under the arm, this phobia and all it brings up. Top of the head, all this fear. Okay then, let's do another round. Eyebrow, I have this fear for a reason. Side of the eye, some part of me learned this response. Under the eye, it's been trying to keep me safe. Under the nose, even if it's overreacting now. Chin, I can acknowledge that. Collarbone, breathe in. I don't have to fight myself. Under the arm, I can feel fear and still be safe. Top of the head, allowing a little space around this fear. Okay then, let's do another round. Eyebrow, maybe I don't need this fear as strongly anymore. Side of the eye, I'm open to calming my nervous system. Under the eye, letting my body know it's okay. Under the nose, I am safe right now. Chin, breathing a little deeper. Collarbone, releasing some of this fear. Under the arm, letting it soften. Top of the head, choosing calm even a little. Well, I'm feeling calmer just demonstrating it. Okay, let's do a positive round now to finish off this session. It's good to finish a session off with some good positivity after we get rid of this negativity. We don't want to be neutral, we want to be positive. So just copy along and let's go. Eyebrow, I choose to feel more grounded. Side of the eye, more presence in my body. Under the eye, more control than before. Under the nose, I can handle this. Chin, one step at a time. Collarbone point. I'm learning a new response. Top of the head, feeling calmer and safer now. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Now think of what you had fear of or phobia of in your head on a scale of 0 to 10. Think of the intensity now. What is it? It's probably gone lower, maybe even to a 0 or a 1. Ideally, it should be to a 0 or a 1. If you haven't got that far yet, if it's a 4 or 5 or even a 6, watch the video again and keep tapping. Because fear and phobias are layers, and sometimes you take one layer off and you reveal another layer. And you can adjust the words, or you can focus on a particular part of the fear or phobia. You know, a certain situation might make you feel a certain way. This is just a general video. So go over again, adjust the words if your fear is not a 0 or 1, and keep tapping. See where the fear is. See where the fear is in your thoughts, in your body, how you feel. Keep tapping. We've only done it for 5 minutes or so, and your score has probably gone lower already. If not, keep tapping, and it will go lower and lower and lower, and to a 0, and you can be free of fears and phobias. EFT is great. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you can, share it with somebody who else might find it useful. Your body really can learn to feel calm again. And you're doing great. Hopefully, we'll see you next time.